Have you ever been hanging out with a friend, splitting the bill for a celebratory dinner, and realized you don't have cash on you, and neither does your friend? But they can easily send you money through Venmo, that nifty app everyone seems to be using these days. This scenario might leave you wondering, can't I just send them money through PayPal, the online payment giant I've been using for ages? The answer, well, it's not a straightforward yes or no. Buckle up, finance enthusiasts, or those just caught in the digital money maze, because we're diving deep into the world of money transfers between Venmo and PayPal. The land of Venmo. Let's start with Venmo. Launched in 2009, it took the peer-to-peer payment world by storm with its social features. Sending money feels almost like sharing a funny meme. You can add comments, emojis, and even a split category, think rent or movie night. It's a millennial's dream, fast, casual, and integrated with social media. The catch? Venmo is primarily for transfers between friends and family within the U.S. While it recently introduced features for paying businesses, it's still not widely accepted by merchants compared to PayPal. The PayPal powerhouse. PayPal. This online payment giant has been around since the early days of the internet, acting as a secure middleman for online transactions. Millions of businesses worldwide accept PayPal, making it a fantastic option for online shopping sprees. Plus, you can send and receive money internationally with PayPal, which can be a lifesaver if you have family or friends abroad. But PayPal, while convenient, can feel a bit corporate. Transactions lack the casual vibe of Venmo, and fees can sometimes add up, especially for international transfers. The bridge between two worlds? So, can you, like a financial Gandalf, bridge the gap between these two money realms and send money directly from PayPal to Venmo? As of today, unfortunately, no. There's no built-in function for direct transfers between the two platforms. Workarounds and alternatives. But fear not, there are workarounds. Here are a couple of options, each with its own pros and cons. Transfer to bank account first. This might feel a bit old school, but you can always transfer the money you want to send from PayPal to your bank account and then send it from there to your friend's Venmo account, if their Venmo is linked to their bank account. The downside? It can take a few business days for the transfer to clear, defeating the whole instant gratification vibe. Use a third-party app. There are a few third-party apps that claim to facilitate transfers between Venmo and PayPal. However, proceed with caution. Always do your research before using any third-party app to manage your money. Check for user reviews, security measures, and any associated fees. Just use Venmo if you're only looking to send money to friends and family within the U.S., and they're comfortable using Venmo. This might be the simplest solution. After all, it's what Venmo was designed for. The future of money transfers. The financial technology world is constantly evolving, and who knows, maybe one day a seamless integration between Venmo and PayPal will exist. Until then, hopefully, this video gave you a clearer picture of the current landscape and the workarounds available. Remember, when it comes to your hard-earned cash, it's always wise to be informed before making any transfers. So, do your research, choose the method that best suits your needs, and keep those digital finances flowing smoothly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.